Welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest of the world? It's not just luck or a fancy degree, it's their habits. That's right, the rich and successful have daily routines and mindsets that elevate them to the top. And today, I'm going to share 20 of these powerful habits that can help you achieve success and wealth in your own life. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. 1. They wake up early. Millionaires often start their day before the rest of the world does. The early hours allow them uninterrupted time to focus, strategize, and plan their day. 2. They set clear goals. Every successful person knows where they're heading. Millionaires set specific measurable goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. 3. They prioritize health. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. Many millionaires incorporate daily exercise, eat nutritious food, and ensure they get enough rest. Continuous learning. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They read books, attend seminars, and invest in their education to stay ahead of the curve. Networking. It's often said that your network is your net worth. Millionaires build strong, valuable relationships with other successful individuals. Focus on multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Millionaires often have several income streams such as investments, side businesses, or real estate. Practice discipline and consistency. Success doesn't happen overnight. Millionaires show up every day, stay consistent, and remain disciplined, even when motivation fades. Embrace failure. Failure is not the end, it's a lesson. Millionaires don't fear failure, they learn from it and use it to improve. Live below their means. You might be surprised, but many millionaires live well below their means. They focus on accumulating wealth, not on flaunting it. Value time. Time is money, and millionaires treat it as such. They delegate tasks, avoid distractions, and focus on high-value activities. Take calculated risks. Millionaires take risks, but they are calculated. They weigh the potential returns against the possible losses and make informed decisions. Positive attitude. A positive mindset attracts opportunities. Millionaires maintain optimism and believe in their ability to succeed. Delayed gratification. Instead of seeking immediate rewards, millionaires focus on long-term gains, knowing that patience pays off in the end. Give back. Many millionaires understand the power of giving back. Whether through charity or mentorship, they contribute to society and help others grow. Strong work ethic. Millionaires are known for their strong work ethic. They put in the time and effort necessary to achieve their goals. 16. Invest in themselves. Millionaires don't shy away from spending money on self-improvement, whether it's courses, coaching, or personal development. 17. Keep track of finances. Millionaires are meticulous about their finances. They monitor their income, expenses, and investments to ensure they stay on track. Stay adaptable. The world is constantly changing. Millionaires remain flexible and adapt to new trends, technologies, and opportunities. Practice gratitude. Gratitude fosters abundance. Millionaires practice gratitude daily, appreciating what they have while striving for more. Surround themselves with success. Your environment matters. Millionaires surround themselves with other ambitious, positive, and successful people who push them to greater heights. Now that you know the 20 habits of millionaires, it's time to take action. Start by incorporating one or two of these habits into your daily routine, and watch how they transform your mindset and your life. If you found this video valuable, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss another success tip. Remember, wealth and success aren't just for a select few. They're available to anyone willing to put in the work, develop the right habits, and stay persistent. Start small, stay consistent, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to living the millionaire lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.